This is the voltage divider and ADC resolution interactive calculator, which helps you determine output voltages and ADC readings for voltage divider circuits. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have Input Voltage Vin in volts, where I'll enter 5.0. Next is Resistor R1 in ohms, and I'm using 1000. Then Resistor R2, also in ohms, set to 1000. For ADC resolution in bits, you can select from 1 to 24 bits, and I'm choosing 10 bits. Finally, ADC reference voltage VREF in volts, which I'll set to 3.3. Now I'll click Calculate. The output voltage VOUT shows 2500 volts, which makes sense since equal resistors create a perfect voltage divider cutting the input in half. The ADC digital value reads 775, displayed in both decimal and hexadecimal as 0x307. The ADC resolution is 3.226 millivolts per bit, telling us the smallest voltage change our ADC can detect. The max measurable voltage is 6.60 volts, which represents the highest input voltage this configuration can measure before exceeding the ADC reference voltage. This calculator streamlines your voltage divider and ADC design process. Find the link in the description below.